All right, today we're going to be making chili mac. It's kind of a macaroni with chili. Very simple. The reason for this video is the cost. Dinner is going to cost us $7.68 tonight, and this will have lunch tomorrow too for both of us. Okay, I'll have all the ingredients below. Okay, I put prices on this as 68 cents. I think that was $1. I bought that a while ago. 88 cents, $3.50. Okay, we're only going to use half this, so $1. This is all the ingredients we need. So that equaled $7.86. We're going to make a short video about getting it into the pot. We're going to use an Instapot for the cook. It goes very quickly. We're going to start by browning the beef. And we're going to do this. It's not really a cooking show. It's more about how easy you can make dinner and quickly you can make dinner for a low price. I have the Instapot set on saute. And all I've done is added the ground beef. That's going to take 2 minutes to brown. And then we're going to add other ingredients. We're about halfway there. Next I'm going to add my seasonings. I'll post the amount in below. We're adding 2 tablespoons of chili powder. Half a teaspoon of cumin. I always like to mound mine. I like the flavor. Half a teaspoon of salt. Pepper flakes, just a little shake of them. Garlic salt, just a little bit of that. All right, our meat is browned. Next we're going to add 3½ cups of water. We're going to add our full box of this. Then we're going to add our tomatoes. Only half of this. I bought too big of a one, so only half. Then beans. So only half of this. It's about half. Add in this, the whole thing, juice and all. Then we're going to add our beans. I added our beans here. Now we're just going to do a light stir. We're still on saute, so I'm going to bring that to just a little bit hotter before we put our lid on. All right, it's getting close to a boil. I just do that so I can visually see. Then we're going to add our pot or our lid. Turn it off, then onto manual, and I'm going to set it for 5 minutes. I was cooking something else. Okay, all right, 5 minutes. All right, the machine is done. Not that you can smell this, but when you hit that release in the steam, just your whole house starts smelling like this product in here. And oh man, does it smell fantastic. I'm going to wait till this is done steaming and the release valve here goes down. We're going to open it up. All right, we're going to open it up. And that's it. I'm going to add half this bag of cheese into it, and I'm going to stir it around. So that's the cheese stirred around. I forgot how big this was. Honestly, this will probably, so this is going to feed us tonight, for sure for lunch tomorrow, and there may even be extra beyond that. But again, the point of all these videos, we're not just a cooking channel here. The point of these videos, let's just say it makes dinner and tomorrow lunch. That's $1.92 a meal. Okay, and this is going to be fantastic. We're not just going to get one cheeseburger at McDonald's for that price. This is going to be delicious, and it's going to fill us tonight and tomorrow for $1.92. We've saved a ton of money doing this just by making it. Okay, and honestly, how long did that take? This is an extremely short video. The only pauses we had were browning the ground beef, which took 2-3 minutes tops, and the 5-minute. It takes a few minutes to come up to temperature, but then it does a 5-minute timer. So again, this is so quick and easy. And look, there's like no dishes. Okay, only dish is going to be spoons and bowls. I encourage you to subscribe, comment about something you have made that has been extremely cheap and saved money. This is super awesome.